Chandraghanta, the warrior goddess, radiates bravery. Gunjan Saxena, soaring through the skies as a fearless pilot, channels the courage and determination of Chandraghanta.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Mama, I want to become a fighter pilot.
Come on, dear, let's have dinner. Oh, for Gunjan, I've been saying for a while that dinner is ready. But no, you're always playing with these aeroplanes.
Mama, I want to become a fighter pilot, just like my brother.
What? Did you hear what dreams your daughter has?
What?
She wants to become a fighter pilot.
Wow, that's amazing.
Absolutely not. Isn't it any other job or career?
No other job. I only want to become a pilot.
Convince her, please. What is this silly insistence?
Maybe it's silly, but I want to be a pilot just like brother.
Why are you standing there silently? Say something to her.
Dear, if you want to become a pilot, why not become a commercial pilot? It doesn't have to be a fighter pilot.
No, Papa. I only want to become a fighter pilot. I want to do something for my country.
This girl just doesn't listen.
Okay, let me give the test once. If I'll fail, I won't pursue it again.
Okay, fine. Go ahead and take the test.
Thank you, Papa.
You always agree to whatever she says. Have you ever thought it through?
Arey, she said na, if she fails once, she never pursue it again.
And what if she passes?
वायुसेना का एक ही मकसद है, देश की रक्षा। उसके लिए सबसे पहले आप सबको एक सिपाही बनना पड़ेगा, तभी आप कॉकपिट में दाखिल होने के लायक बन पाएंगे। कल से आप सबकी ट्रेनिंग शुरू हो जाएगी। Is that clear? Yes, sir. Is that clear? Yes, sir.
रग रग में जोश की बूंदे, बूंदों में जीत ही गूंजे। रोको ना सपनों के तूफानों को, रोको ना जज्बों की उड़ानों को, रोको ना आंखों के निशानों को। आग जैसे बरसा दे ये इरादे, जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है, जिगरे से निकलेंगी चिंगारियां। जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है, जिगरे से निकलेंगी चिंगारियां।
क्या आप इस मिशन के लिए तैयार हैं? क्या बदले के लिए आपका खून खोल रहा है? हाउ इज द जोश? हाउ इज द जोश? अच्छा, हाउ इज द जोश?
time, sir.
Gunjan, the situation is very bad. Our soldiers are fighting in Kargil war. The enemy is positioned on the hill where they can easily see all our soldiers' movement. We need to evacuate our wounded soldiers from there, but all my pilots are either engaged in battle or injured. I don't know what to do.
Sir, I'll go.
What? No, Gunjan, it's too risky.
Sir, if we don't take risks, what kind of fighters are we? Let me go, please.
Okay, but be careful.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. Delta to Alpha. Delta to Alpha. Alpha to Delta. Alpha to Delta. Coming in. I am receiving you. Sir, the situation here is terrible. We need air support, sir. I have sent help, Major. Air support will be with you very soon. Sir, the war is at its peak. Whoever being air support will be taking huge risks, sir. You handle the ground, Major. We will take care of skies. Sir, the cheetah helicopter is approaching us, sir. Good job, Gunjan.
Major, I'm coming. Major, I'm coming.
Good job, Gunjan.
Sir, I have evacuated all the soldiers into the helicopter.
I am proud of you, my girl. Today, the whole country will know you as the Kargil girl.
Thank you, sir.
सदके मैं जावा मेरी दिल जानिया मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है वो तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत
से
की
कम नहीं होती। गुंजन सक्सेना को एनिमेटेड इंडियन का सलाम।